Babugeli, that man right there was an asshole. Ngiyaqolisa upon my profanity, kodwa that man there was an asshole, yes. That man denied 2 young black men a chance to excel.
Yeah.
And we can't have people like that.
Yeah.
So, you know,
the most lento eyodwa eyenza esistrugglisha ngayo as black South African.
Ilokunjana lack of employment ikakhulu eyenze ekuyiyona ibangela zonke ezinye inkinga ezilandelayo. Mina ngendlela engibuka ngayo.
Yeah. And don't roll. Ungaroll. Ubuze ngalesi ngisamalema. Uthi sorry, why are you asking me that?
I must start to use my vernac accent. No, but honestly, nah.
Yeah, I know, uthi yapapa.
Yeah, you're papa. So now how the fuck must I feel if I'm going past an intersection and then I'm hearing car doors are locking, well, other people are telling, oh no, so and so, hold your pants closer to yourself. Yeah, well, it's like.
Anxiety first show. Are you shy?
Yeah, in a sense, but you know, just like every other thing in this life, I can think I Yeah.
Ngifuna sibuye sobuka le episode mangabe sesishootha episode 50.
Yes. It's going to be a milestone.
Yeah, episode 50, we come back and review this episode.
Yeah.
And then see ukuthi yini esayenza right, yikuphi la esa flop akhona, ne?
No, I'm better. It's cool. I love nothing more. No, you know why? Because that shows it growth.
Yes.
And we are better. There's nothing more important than it growth.
It growth.
In my honest opinion.
Yes.
Yeah, well, so.
Musukushaya itafula lapho, mawushaya itafula. Asasiyaxoxa, phela isho iqalile.
I'm aware, yeah.
So, itafula mawulishaya liya.
You'll never catch me off guard.
Okay, welcome to the show, guys. Igama le show yethu uMzansi Ordinary Citizens, ne? So kule show into esiyenzayo, we just come here, we chat, izinto nje affect abantu abanormal, aba-ordinary eMzansi. Right, igama lami ke mina nguSikhulu, ne? So igama lakho awutshela ababukeli ukuthi uba
Babukeli abahle from all corners of this lovely nation viewing this. Igama ngumlungisi, isibongo Mkhulisi, and ngithanda abantu. I love the people. I love the good people. I just like having a good time, you know. Yeah, man, just have a good time, unwind, see what I can't see.
Yeah.
You know, just keep the day going, I guess, Kulusam.
100.
Yeah. Spreading positivity all around.
Yeah. So masojela ababukele emakhaya. So inhloso yale show sifuna ukuba nabantu abawu2, ne?
Yes.
So kuzoba wena Mlu.
Yes, Kulusam.
Mina ngizoqhubeka ngibe la ngemuva.
Yes,
Then but we need a second person ozoba lapho. So umuntu esimfunayo sifuna kuba umuntu wesifazane. Mhlambe noma engaba ngakanani above 25 kuyali but akahlale la eThekwini. So if ukhona umuntu wesifazane who's above 25 ikubhekele because sifuna umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi abe nama views amature, yabo leyo.
Trust me, plus, man, I know plenty of those. I know plenty of those.
So guys, please sebenzisa le number le elanga ezansi usendele uWhatsApp usho if you want to be the host of the show. So kuzoba wena noMlu. So every week sizofika lana nje. Sizofika sihlale kanje si-unwind just to chat about things that are affecting real citizens of Mzansi.
Yes.
So mfethu sesikhathi sizoqala ishow manje siqala ngendlela ebheda because bese sizoyishuthela lapha eZansi.
Oh, it's cool some. Don't get me started on that guy, man. Hey, no, still loyana.
Awuchazela ababukeli ukuthi kwenzakaleni nje bathi sizoyishutha lapha eKathomeni.
That man right there, Babugeli, that man right there was an asshole. Ngiyaqolisa upon my profanity, kodwa that man there was an asshole, yes. That man denied 2 young black men a chance to excel.
Yeah.
And we can't have people like that.
Yeah.
So, you know, in a nutshell, we were prohibited from Uqopha ngale eKathomeni, so we had to shift things all the way to the beautiful side of Bel-Air.
Yeah.
So here we are now.
Yes, so itenzekile siyahamba lapha siyoshoot egroundini. That is a public sports field, yabo lonto.
It's a public space, yeah.
Umjitha osebenza lapha yana uzositshela ukuthi akuvumelekile ukuthi shoot lapha yana kumele sifonele ioffice.
He had no business from the corner doing that. Abantu in my opinion who are in a higher position who should have yeah, well, like told us what he told us. Yeah,
Yes.
he had no position.
Yeah,
It was outright unacceptable.
Hawu manje
It was
into
very
ukuthi
outside
siphume
unacceptable.
is just to respect because manje kunabanye abantu kune-security elisebenza lapha siyabona ukuthi uzogcina lisenkingeni so we decided just to move. But other than that guy is just
Nah, no, that guy is exactly what is wrong with this society, man. He is exactly what is wrong. He makes it hard, kahle kahle.
yeah
He makes it hard, yabo. Ngeke ngampela sivimba abo usivika ankela and then siphinde sivike ankela wasenza kanjene but you know trying to go do such a simple task, you know?
yeah
So
eh?
yeah,
No,
there's
it's
certain things, yabo.
engenasidingo
Yeah,
man.
certain things that
Don't
are
need for
unnecessary.
that.
It's just very
Yeah.
unnecessary.
So yeah, no
It's very
ungibasekile
unnecessary,
mfethu
yes,
yabo
yes,
the
yes,
fact that we are talking lana okusho ukuthi we are strong ne because bekufanele siye phansi.
No. Futhi enye into lesikhulu sami, don't let one individual, yabo. Akuthikamezisi, yes, akurule yabo leyo.
Yeah, imagine this was our first episode. Ukube sigcine siphika naye bekuzokwenzakalani.
That's what he wanted though.
Yabona.
He wanted us yabo like to give him a reaction.
Yeah.
And it was very good on you, Skulu Sami, yabo, that you didn't give him that reaction. Yabo.
Yes.
But yet again, the society there.
Just tell abantu ukuthi wena about you as a host now.
Yeah.
Who is Umlu? Kuthi mase siqhubeka abantu ba understand.
Who is Umlu, I think. But face, babukeli Skulu Sami.
Yeah.
Umlu is a free spirit, man.
Yeah.
Yabo. Like I had mentioned, ngithanda abantu. Yabo. I'm a very free spirit, man. Yabo. I believe in spreading positivity amongst people. Yabo.
Yeah.
Because yabo, positivity, yabo, without positivity, then this world will be very gloom.
Yeah.
That's what I believe. Yabo. And you have to have positivity. Yabo. As a black man, yabo, in the society, yabo, we struggle with that in my face.
Yeah.
That's what's on my mind right now. We struggle. It's cool with that. Yeah, boy. You go to the workplace. Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Being a black man, you'll get certain privileges that other people don't get. Yeah, boy. And I mean it in a very bad way, babu.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy, Leon. You know what I mean? You
Yeah,
get like
yeah.
certain privileges, yeah, boy, that ungamla would not get. Yeah, boy.
Njengani.
For example, extended lunch breaks.
Yeah.
Ngayibona leyo nto mina ngilana not so far from la eBhele catering company.
Yeah.
Engeke ngilisho igama sikhulu sami.
Kwenzakalani?
How ngiyabheka okay sharp certain individuals yabo kumele babheme inkawuza. Okay mina mengibheme yami inkawuza okay mina ngibheme izole ke babukela lapha upfront and honest. Mina
Yeah.
ngibheme izole inkawuza ngiyibheme. Well angisayibheme it's been numerous years.
Yeah.
Yabo. Okay no story. Mina I'll probably have like 30-minute lunch break yabo leyo sikhulu sami yabo leyo. And then have some over to Gamlo Rowan or some yabo uzothola 1 hour 30 minutes ubona ukuthi hayi montra yodwa le yabo leyo. So yabo you know yabo thula nje yabo uyabheka ukuthi no man la kahle kudilwa nami kahle la.
Wawenzani lapho?
As a black man. No.
Wawenzani lapho kuleso sipano osishaya?
No, angishaye catering
Awubambi
kodwa
ifoni yakho?
oh yes. Mina babukeli no sikhulu sami mina bafethu mina angishaye the catering kodwa I was in the decor section.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I was in the decor section there, boy.
Hey, when we are roller food.
Oh, babuke. Oh no.
I was in the decor section.
Oh, wait, okay, I was in the decor section.
Straight decor. Yabona
Yes.
esafunda esikoleni lezi kuvuka uyiphathi.
No. But either or, as a black man, I think school summer you would see, yeah, well, whether you went to Model C school or secondary school, the fact that you're a black man in this society, you feel the pinch of a struggle, man. Yeah, boy. The small thing as yeah, boy, like Ugwela, like yeah, boy, intersection.
Yeah.
With intersection. Okay, obviously intersection, there's bound to be cars in that payan.
Yeah.
There's gonna be a lot of cars in that payan.
Yeah.
What happens about to you as a black man go past?
Yeah.
Sengilokhwicap.
Kushaya.
Yabo, sebenginika ama-side eye. Yabo leyo nto. Yabo into ongayiqonda ukuthi what the fuck going on sikhulu sami.
Yeah, now I'm
Yabo.
telling you, I know that thing. Because yonke indawo, it can
Yes.
be in the workplace.
Yes,
It can
it's-
be in the places la esihlala
Yes,
khona.
yes,
Yabo?
yabo.
So mina nje into ekenzeka kumina. Kwathi ngihamba kwenye
Yeah.
indawo yabelungu. Yabo lo nto, suburbs.
Yeah, it's a suburban
So
area.
uthola ukuthi indlela obukwa ngayo, yabo
Yes,
lo.
yes,
The fact
yes,
that
yes.
you are walking there leyo you are black.
Yes,
Yabo lo
yes, yes,
indlela
yes,
obukwa ngayo nje abantu abantu
It's
bawari
very-
kuna lo into
I can relate to.
wenzani lona lana yabo leyo nto.
It makes you feel so unwelcomed for it. Yeah, well, like if that makes sense, because yeah, well, if you date back to '94,
Yeah.
yeah, well, all of this stuff, yeah, well, like it's Latin. This country had abolished its slavery in a sense, yeah, well,
Yeah.
for all of us to be, yeah, well, like viewed as one, yeah, but we must all treat each other the same. So now, how the fuck must I feel if I'm going past an intersection? And then I'm heading, car doors are locking, yeah, well, other people are telling, oh no, so and so, hold your pants closer to yourself, yeah, well, it's like, okay, I get it. Certain people do, yeah, well,
Yeah.
mischievous activities, yeah, well, they get up to, yeah, well, like very mischievous murals, yeah, well.
Yes.
But I saw this ganja.
Ah, hey.
Not every black man is like that, yeah, well. How would you know, okay, for example, in your Hamburg intersection,
Yeah.
you being the car owner, have judged me to this certain extent, yeah, well, I'm just a normal guy. I've never been to jail. Surprisingly, but I've never been to jail.
Yeah.
But the meaning, you think XYZ. Yeah, no.
Why do you think people will think you've been in jail? Because I see a nice guy. Yabo lo. Yabo kunathi kodwa as blacks.
Oh no, I'm hearing you.
Sometimes sinayo leyo nto ukuthi
stereotype.
uyistereotype
Yes,
wena.
yes,
Because
yes,
nami njengoba
yes,
ngisho
yes.
kwenzeka le incident manje kwenye indawo mangikho nami sengigcine ngiyibone ngathi ukuthi I don't belong here. I don't deserve to be
Yes,
here.
yes,
Yabo lo.
yes, yes,
Because
yes,
isikhathi we don't need nathi ukuthi sifake kulo position where
You cast yourself out.
Yes, siyabona leyo nto because nabo
Yeah,
abantu
man.
bagcine sebebona ukuthi this guy look like he doesn't look like he's lost.
Yes,
Yabo lo.
and the old saying goes, yeah, well, like if you don't accept yourself or welcome yourself, how are those people gonna accept and welcome you within their own surroundings? If that makes sense, yeah, well.
Yeah, so but
Yeah,
another thing, mawucabanga
Yeah.
eyiphi irole engadlalwa i-politics, asiqale nge-politics in terms ukuthi isuse lento le thina
Yeah.
abantu abamnyama esibhekene nayo yokuthi sifeel as if we don't belong to a certain place, or if we are there we
Yeah.
still get treated
As
wrong or
outcasts.
something.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
So
and
yini
I feel
ngempela
you.
mhlambe engenziwe i-politics in terms of that?
Politically speaking, kahle kahle, my views, and I've said this for the past numerous years, plus minus 10 years,
Yeah.
and I'll say it till I'm blue in the face, my boy. Politically speaking, I think this government, I won't mention names, but this government here should give the youth a chance. Because the government not giving the youth a chance, that tells the youth, it's okay, Vele, I'm not shit, Vele, because Vele, I don't see anything in me, I'm nothing, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Usaba lapha ku-ANC because manje olokhu uthi I'm not going to mention.
School of some ways.
Usubuke ngazi ukuthi khona umuntu omsabayo lapha.
No, I was waiting for that, no.
Government okhona owe-ANC.
Yes.
So if you say, oh, like for the longest time, I
Yeah.
know manje sekunale JNU ekhona, but for the longest time it's been ANC.
It's been
Yabo
ANC,
lo.
yes.
So-
I'm Congolese myself. I'm
Congolese.
yes, I'm Congolese myself. It's what I was born into. Besides that, I love the party.
Yeah.
They have cool colors.
Yeah.
No, this play. What they are, no man. It's, like Congolese, like I had that belief in me, which Congolese was fighting for the black nation. Yeah, well, no, okay, not just the black nation, for everyone who was oppressed in that time.
Yeah.
So big, mad respect to Congolese for that.
Yeah.
Well. But like another thing is, like I didn't really want to mention them in that light.
Yeah.
Because the Congolese needs to give youth a chance.
Yeah.
They had to give us a chance.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, that's my strong belief.
That's the thing, yeah. But government should have a program ngempela azoba specific
Yes.
to ensure ukuthi
It's going to enroll the youth.
involve youth
Yes.
and also
Yes,
izinto
yes.
mazenzeka you must
Yes.
be able to understand what
Yes.
is actually happening on the ground, because
Yes,
sometimes
yes,
I feel
yes,
like
yes,
they don't know what
100%.
is happening on the ground yabo leyo into. So so maybe for us as blacks ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sibe free sithola amathuba afanayo nabo bonke
yes,
abantu. We
yes,
need
yes,
ukuthi
yes,
kube
yes.
khona those specific programs amanye akhona.
And probably deny when I school some they no I'm just saying they deny us of all opportunities. And it's hard also being a black man because they're okay sharp. Totally about these opportunities, they do get availed. but they avail them to certain black people.
Yeah.
The more affluent black
Yes.
people, and the more affluent black people.
Yeah. Ne? And then if ubuya la religion,
Religion
we
wise.
are esontweni kodwa.
Yes. I'm very strong in religion.
Musukushaye mic.
Oh, it was a reflex. Sorry, Babugeli.
I could
I'm sorry.
It's the first episode.
Yes.
So shama flop.
Yeah.
Then this is one look.
No, we rectify them, yeah.
Then it's about great.
No, you have to
But
rectify
I
them.
like how we're going with this conversation because in terms
Yeah.
of what is there, it's just for us.
Yeah.
For ordinary citizens.
Yeah, for sure.
So
for
just
sure.
say what they're in their mind.
Yes.
Just say
It's
what is in your mind.
it's an open discussion. Yeah, but there's no right or wrong here.
Yeah. So you want to take it short. So say religion.
Yeah,
how do you
I'm
think
very-
religion can have an impact in a black man's
Like
struggle?
man's struggle. Now, honestly, there's no better way of putting this, man. Just need to pray, you know.
No, I'm just saying in religion.
In religion wise.
Yes, religion. How can
Yeah.
in religion? I can get to me
Have
as a
faith
black
more.
man. Yeah, let's say
Yeah.
me as a black man.
Yeah.
I'm struggling. How can a church, if I can put it like that,
Yes.
have an impact in ensuring that they lift me up? That's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. Yeah, but I don't believe.
Yes,
I don't
yes.
go to church, but there is a church next to me. How can a church make me?
What the church can do is, I'll probably say the church can oh, it's engaged by faith. The church, okay, it wasn't showing it soon. Wasn't showing it soon.
Wena isigisi sakho.
I can't phrase it.
Yaba mina
Yeah.
bengithi ngizokhuluma isiZulu la. Manje ngiyakuzwa ukuthi ushakane.
I can't phrase it, man.
Yeah, ishaya ngesiZulu. Yabona usuyangithatha
I'm trying to phrase it.
ungifaka ku-George manje.
No.
Yeah, so yeah.
My George is excellent. No George here. No, what the no, man. What the church needs to, yeah, boy, and I'm gonna speak to the church community, yeah, boy, as a whole here.
Yeah.
The church needs to, yeah, boy, enroll the youth in extramural activities. There's not enough of extramurals going on in the church community.
Eh.
The church community, I know it's okay. We'll see each other Friday, Saturday, then Sunday, then done.
Yeah.
Whereas to having my church extramurals that'll go on through the week.
Yeah.
Says one on Sunday, but it's throughout the week.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy, they aren't. But now I don't know what the church is fearing because crime, okay, this is gonna sound very redundant. In crime only has certain boundaries. Crime is not everywhere.
Yeah.
As silly as that sounds, crime is not everywhere, believe it or not.
Yeah.
But now the church is gonna run away through crime. Oh no, yeah boy, oh no, it's a very dodgy world out here.
Yeah.
No, it's nonsense. It's hella nonsense, yeah boy. So each church must, yeah boy, like must get away from that, yeah boy, that fear, that stigma of oh no, it's crimey. If they have these extramurals, the wrong influence will come in, yeah boy.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
Wathi ngifonele nangu uba kade ngifonela la.
Call sign.
Ngizomfonela ngiqede ngimbuza ukuthi
Yeah, let's see what he has to say.
Yena ucabangani ngendaba ye crime, not
Yeah.
a crime man ukuthi i-church especially ibe ne-influence.
Yes, it's in a black man's life.
Black man's struggle. Let's see
Yeah.
ukuthi ebambeni phone. Weba, ukuhamba kanjani? Uyazi ukuthi ukisho manje angazi ukuthi uyazwakala yena ukhulume futhi. Ima. Webafu.
Fuck TV yini manje ngi-red.
Uzoba ku TV. Wagcina nini esontweni? Qala.
Mina ngisanda ukugcina last year.
Guilty.
Hayi kodwa phela akude kakhulu ngoba vele mhlawumbe ngawuthi next year.
Ugcina last year uzobabona next year
Next
futhi.
year. Oh wow.
Ngizobona nje manje next year ngawuthule.
No, thank you, my friend. Into esiyenza mfethu sishuthi ishow lana yabo. So we are just discussing nje ishow yethu kuzothi umzansi ordinary citizens. So we just talking to ordinary people or about ordinary things thina as black people or as South Africans that we face every day yabo. So masufona sengibona imiss call yakhe sathi wathi ngikudonse uwe in kwi conversation yethu.
Yeah, man.
What do you think South African citizens
because sibuka lana ama South African citizens especially blacks, what do you think we are struggling with the most? Yini lento eyodwa eyenza esistrugglisha ngayo as black South Africans?
Ilokunjana i-lack of employment ikakhulu eyenze ekuyiyona ibangela zonke ezinye inkinga ezilandelayo. Mina ngendlela engibuka ngayo.
Yeah.
Uyayizwa noma ngisho ngakhulu nenkulumo yakho.
Hey, ufuna kuba accurate bafo.
Ngifuna ukuzwa kahle phela khona ngingashoni kude kakhulu. Mina into engiyibukayo nje into eyenza ukuthi abantu babe nezinkinga eziningi kakhulu. Iyona into abayenza usuku lonke like ukuthola umsebenzi or have something. Ababhizi ayeso uthola ukuthi ubhizi ngayo like business, running business, proper running or umsebenzi. Uyabona ikona okube sekulethe ezinye inkinga esingayibala usuku.
But everything starts them looting.
No, I second that. I second that. No, but I wish I could bafu lapha.
Yabo nje mangathiwa kukhona indlela yokuthi ama young black South Africans abe nezinto namabhizinisi aphalokho nje aphumelelayo or sufficient employment.
Yeah.
Mina ngiyiboni lezi inkinga njengokuthi khona crime khona what ngikuboni ku accumulate kunyuka kushona phezulu. Ngazi ngendlela engibuka ngayo ya.
Mfethu nami ngiyahambisana lokho but ke you know what we had into engizwile in one of the podcast this week.
Yeah.
Kuthiwe kune proposal abayenzayo eyokuthi njengoba unemployment rate ibheke ku 40 something close to 50%,
and this thing is skyrocketed.
Iyanyuka.
Very skyrocketed.
Kuthiwa ke kune proposal abayenzayo yokuthi yabo umuntu oyiphantelayo mhlawumbe makuthi umuntu udayisa ama orange ushaya side hustle bathi bafuna ukubala lokho as employment ukuze i-employment rate ibukeke ngazuthi iphansi kanti still high. So mangabe wena uzovula i-stand lapho uthi uyadayisa noma udayisa amagwinya noma yini,
you can officially get registered.
Uzofika la njengomuntu employed. Yabo lo. So to me it's like they are cooking numbers.
Manje ilokho njalo kuzobe kustill zofana nje ikona umhlu izoshintsha ama numbers wabo.
That's been rigged too much.
It's rigged, this thing.
It's rigged too much.
It's like
izoshintsha ama kuphela, it's not going to change anything. Mhlawumbe kungathiwa mhlawumbe kumeka amalukhunjana izinto ilokhunjana ama-group athile noma iy'nkampani izinto ezichasa labo bantu njengawo ama-street vendor or small business labo abazenzela lezi zinto ey'ncane mhlawumbe khulumeka-ke bese kuyima berekadwa as abantu abenza umsebenzi because think about it mawukuthi ungathola umuntu oyedwa onetafula lama-fruits bese qedeba namatafula and then sekune-employment ke lapho.
Yeah, very more like the business grows more.
Numbers baqale ngokuthi basize bona labantu laba ukuze bezonyusa izinto zabo bese beqede be-hirish
bekwazi
abantu, isn't it?
Ne? All right, but ayike uzoba kwishow ne? Ziyakhala. Ishow yethu yokuqala le and into engiyitholile nje bathe sengikufonela imic yami omlungu azothi be off all along. I'm telling you. Ngizwa ngoba ade ngithi ngikubeka la emicini yami. Angizwa?
Ngishaya into podcast.
Siya podcast, ukwi-podcast nje manje. All right, but wathi siqhubeke nalo bujisa ngizokutshela masiphumile imic yami be off kodwa hopefully bengizwakala ke mangingazwakali we might need to do this again.
Let's scrap it up.
Kufundwa kanjalo. All right, sure baba. So close. Sharp. Mlu uthini ke employment when after usebenze lapho khona ukwasebenza khona before after that la usebenza khona
after I went to town ngashaya lento kodwa ke yabo another quarter lounge ngala yes ngashaya kancane I pulled a good 3 months there. Stacy.
Wokusebenza nje more than 6 months somewhere.
Yeah, it was over here. It was over here.
Wasebenza isikhathi kanani la?
It was that duration was 1.5 years.
Oh, waphusha.
Yeah. And I'll be honest, I got fired. A black man. A black man. A
Phela
black
now you
man.
can't keep on saying a black man. Wenzani?
No. Okay, let me just put it this way. I was a bit younger back then.
Yeah.
You know, well, I didn't see life like how I see it now.
Yeah, kwenzakalani?
Oh man, you guys.
Remember. That's how we're going to get to know.
No. I'm willing to share. No, just like small. You know, like small instances. You know, like late comings, not attending work. Yeah, well, getting the rest of the staff to do other things. You know, influencing the staff in a very negative way. Yeah,
Oh, una influence for
Yes, I'll admit. Yeah. Like I mentioned, I was a bit younger.
Yeah, but remember, we are chatting. Yeah, that's how we people is going to know
That's
us
how we
and
learn.
where we're coming from. You see.
No, yeah,
So what
for real,
happened?
For real. No. You know, like small. You know, they had enough of my stuff. You know, my shenanigans.
Oh yeah, did they take you through disciplinary hearing?
There was a
Baba
hearing.
Velebati, you are fired.
No, there was a hearing because that company there was going to be under new ownership.
Oh.
I can't say the company.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. I wanted to call it something. So, you know,
All
it was going to be
right.
under new ownership.
Yeah.
Boy. But that all stems down, boy, like, black people can't have all these, you know, like side hustles. What's what? They can booster gazillion stores every corner.
Yeah.
But now, if we don't empower each other,
Yeah.
if a certain black man does that, not every other black man will be happy for him. Who's about that little aspect, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. And that's very detrimental, boy, like in the average black man's life. Yeah, boy, about make more than said.
Yeah, bona.
Yeah, boy, because like I believe that, yeah, boy, like umona, unomthelela omningi. It can have umthelela physically, it can have it metaphorically, it can have it spiritually as well.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah, bo ubona ugogo sibanibani beloyo sibanibani kanje usawubona lokho.
Ubona.
Kodwa yabo like umona does also stem with
ne?
black man's life.
Yeah, ne?
I'm a good example of that.
Kwenzakaleni?
Hey!
Ayabo wena.
I keep laying off the page. You keep on coming and coming.
Wena khumbula sibheka episode 50 la.
No,
So
I'm aware.
mawuzoshiya itori uyishare zo-half.
I'm aware.
Then
I'm willing to share.
Yeah,
I'm willing
kodwa
to share.
asisekhona isikhathi ne.
I'm willing to
We are
share.
just in the
No,
beginning.
no,
We are
no.
testing
Yes.
waters. Yeah.
Hey, this black man got me fucked up, man.
But I
You know
think
what they
once kwafika i-co-host yethu la
Yes,
kuzoba
yes.
right. Really we need someone ozosijoyina la
Yes,
bafowethu.
yes,
We're just
yes,
going to talk like how we're talking. It's our
Yes.
views, it's our stories,
Yes,
it's
our
our
perspective in
sharisha,
life.
it's our perspective.
Oh, well,
But
well,
we
well,
need
well.
a woman perspective.
You heard that, Babugan?
We need a woman view.
No.
So we need to ngempela umuntu
But I second that.
wesibili
Yeah.
ozoba owesifazane
I second
ozosijoyina
that. I
la.
second
Then
that.
zikhale.
I
Then
second
sesoqala futhi sithole indawo right zikhale. Yabona
second
yona.
that. I
So for
second that.
now it's just for us to
Yes,
to
yes,
show
yes.
our energy. Now
Yes.
you're on the energy eningi baba.
I know, I second that. I
The
second
energy
that.
eningi baba.
Those who know me, I can attest to that. I can attest to that. I can
Yeah,
attest to that.
no mfethu ayike ziyakhala ke
It's a
ziyakhala.
positivity.
Anything else in your mind?
Everything else in my mind, man, is it's just hard being black, man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
it's
but you-
beautiful,
but-
it's nice, but hard being black.
But you can't be complaining all the time.
No, there's no
Funeka
complaints.
sibe na good stuff that are
Yes,
happening.
yes,
Yabo
yes,
leyo
yes,
nto.
yes.
Hey, so we can't be
As a
crying.
black man, as a black man too, Kulusami, it's very, I feel very privileged, I feel very privileged,
Yeah.
Like certain aspects, I feel like as a black man, I tend to get away with things a lot more easier, because I'm black, and it's wrong to say, but it's reality.
Yeah.
Yeah, Leon. I can go to Umlazi right now,
Yeah.
and because
Yes.
can a white man do that?
Can't, never.
No, I'm just playing.
You can go right, you're right.
Yes,
You're right.
yes,
Yabo,
yes.
umuntu umlungu mangathiwe elokishini manje.
Yeah.
Everyone uzophenduka nawo.
Very,
Wena
very.
uzokwazi ukusuka la uye koMalivani.
He'll stick out like a sore thumb. Yeah, boy, sore thumb. He'll stick out like a fucking sore thumb. and speaking from experience, I had a friend, Andrew. We once went to Wama show where let me just say it wasn't nice.
You know.
It wasn't nice. No, they gave him like a hard time over time being.
Yabo lo. Oh, nanhleli isikhathi eside noma nanivakashele for the day.
No, vakasheng ngasekhaya for 2 weeks.
2 weeks uthatha umlungu umiselokishini for 2 weeks.
Yes.
Yo baba nawo neyinkinga zakho. How can
No,
you do
man, it's
that?
South Africa, man.
Yeah.
It's South Africa, man, you know.
No, but mina into yethu engicabangayo this 2 weeks ago, last week, can't remember, bekune comrade.
Oh, yeah. How was that?
No, it was good, man. The only thing I wanna reflect about that, uma kune comrades, that's where you see everyone in the country, black and white, united. I don't know how we can do that. Yabo lo. So everyone there, or abasuke be support ama athletes lapha kwi comrades, they are united.
Yeah, but everyone is unity in it.
Yeah. But I was thinking, I don't know what else. That can unite like that. I know mangabe kudlala Springboks World Cup ite nje kalezo ziyenzeka nange World Cup we manage to see that, but I don't understand what else can we do engasiza ukuthi sibe united, not just for one event but every day.
For more like we must try like make every day an auspicious occasion kind of vibe. No, man. No, that's too heavy for you. Auspicious. No, Blue knows those words, ne?
Yes. So people were so united. People were so free. People were so happy.
So
I don't understand why as soon as an event like that finishes, then people go back and it's like we are fighting one another.
It's like everyone just, like everyone starts to reset again.
Yeah.
Yet again, like I mentioned earlier, like I think that comes naturally to us South Africans. That does come naturally to to us South Africans, like being okay. If I'm with my clique and I see you with your clique or Meva, it's gonna be like a natural instinct for most of us, not all of us.
Yes.
Most of us, because you wanna be more tight with their clique.
Yes.
If that makes sense.
Yeah.
Which is wrong. From my perspective, which is wrong. No, because we grew up with different races, even those who spoke languages not from this country. And it saddens me, we're gonna have certain individuals being restricted to their own kind, where we can break those walls down.
But what I noticed, things like that zenzeka natural. You know why I'm saying that? So in my previous company, Lebeng Sebenza Con, I was working in a head office. So kule head office kukhona ama Indians, then they are white, then they are blacks. So between 12 and 1 or between 12 and 2, the lunch hour was long, but you will take 1 hour, but within the 2 hours. So between 12 and 2, you need to take your hour lunch. But what I noticed, ukuthi abantu abamnyama, all of them, they were sitting together. No one told us ukuthi we must sit with our group.
It all stems down
Indians
to that.
were sitting together. White were sitting together. There were only few, and even colored. There was a small group of colored. Colored were sitting together. There were only few, maybe one black person will sit with white people. But the bigger group, white were sitting together, we were sitting together.
It wasn't conglomerated.
Yes, no one's telling us who the guys do this. But I think this thing is there now.
That makes it very awkward. It makes it very awkward. But within the working environment as well. For example, like you're trying to get a certain utensil from someone, but now we're practicing that behavior. Would it be that easy to engage with Richard? You being Usib, would that be as easy to engage with Richard?
But you
having practiced that.
But you told Uguti, like us there. We didn't have a problem. In my office, I think we're only 2 blacks.
Yes.
So lunchtime, I will speak to my black guys. What time are we taking lunch? They will say, let's meet at 12:30.
Because that's like a natural feeling.
Then when I go back to the office, I don't have a problem with my white colleagues. We still go on. There is no problem. And now I won't say, Uguti, it's a problem that they are sitting together because no one said I can't sit with them. It's just that's why I'm saying this thing comes naturally.
It's naturally, it all stems out naturally. But sometimes certain individuals tend to perceive it. And it's okay, these guys are doing it deliberately. That's one thing that you have to put into consideration. It could be done deliberately. Sometimes it's even targeted towards
certain individuals.
The black man.
But I'm saying, but you're right. In other places, it's like that. But I'm saying, even if it's not like that, you find that I don't want to go and speak isingisi laphayana ngelunch. And sometimes kumbula, this thing is every day.
Yeah, man. You tend to cast yourself out because you're not sure what kind of reception you're gonna get there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, and I'm sure every black man can tell you that. I would say, but I would love to. I would love to go there and smoke if they're smoking, drink if they're drinking with them.
Yeah.
But now I'm not sure how they're gonna welcome me.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? How they're gonna welcome us? Yeah. Well.
Yeah, no, indawo ihlukene. But in other places you'll find that people are gelling, people are cool, there is no issues.
Yes,
so that's why if maybe we can talk about racism.
Yeah.
Racism, it's there.
Yeah, it is there. Yeah,
but in other places you find that it's not bad as in other places. But in other places it's there. Sometimes you don't need to just cast the stone in other companies you find that AI is bad, the racism is there. But in other companies you find that no, man,
racism is something that when it's called I'm so sorry to cut you all off. I've been getting serious right now. I just experienced racism probably like this Monday or last Friday. Yeah, this other man asked me, which jolly? Do you need jolly gombe? Yeah, which jolly do I work at? And I'm like, this guy.
What is jelly?
Yeah, boy, Charlie, like
Charlie,
man, come on.
You think that you're a cutting boy or something?
Hey, he's serious. I'm like, calling me boy. I'm like, this guy. I'm like, in my head, I'm like, what makes you think that I'll be okay? All respect to people who are cotton boys. No, don't get me wrong. No.
Yeah.
But like the stereotyping, that's what I have a problem with.
Yeah.
The fact that he boxed me in, it was like, no, my guy, that's still racism.
Yeah.
That's still racism.
It's there. It's there. Yeah.
Because how did he not know what's me? I could have been in the law field. I could have been a teacher.
Yeah.
I could have been a public figure for all we know.
Now we podcast the man.
How the world works. How the fucking world works, man.
No, that was crazy. What did you say to him?
No. Like I handled it like I always handle it, like a champ that I am. No, I told him no. I'll stay with my auntie. We still have a house to side. I will actually stay here. I was actually going to get a box of cigarettes and in canteen.
So this guy, is it driving or?
No, he was walking just like you and I.
The same thing like Tengisha. Sometimes you walk in the area, then people are starting to look at you like you are lost or something.
Yes. They started to what's the word? To racially profile you. They racially profiling you. And that's what happens. Every black man can attest. Every black man watching this or who's going to be watching this in the future can attest to me right now. Can vouch for me and say, no. This man over here has a fucking point because when I school up about you stay.
Yeah, but now you're so nice to him. We're supposed to ask him, hey, Baba, why are you asking me that? You're supposed to ask him, really? How? And don't roll. Sorry, why are you asking me that?
I must start to use my vernac accent. No, but honestly, nah.
Yeah, I don't know with your papa.
Yeah, your papa.
Yeah, no, but I think many podcast is over interesting. So we'll just going to chat, have good times. I think footing is about more interesting once we get our host. So guys, whoever who want to be a host of the show, please again use the number below on the screen. WhatsApp us, tell us what you want to be host. Mautanda, you can put on the comment section below who you want to join us.
We want to see your comments.
Don't we want to continue with this conversation, guys? There's nothing serious. We're just chatting, reflecting on the week, reflecting on everything that's happening in our country as ordinary citizens. Because I'm a podcaster, I'm famous. So we want ordinary people to join us.
This is our platform already, you know? This is our platform on you know. It also gives y'all and an opportunity to engage with us as well.
Yes, and about the calls. We have to continue with the call like that. So what we'll do every week, so we are just going to call someone. So send us a WhatsApp message on the number below. We can, if you want to be part of the show, we'll call you next week when we're discussing our next topic. Or also
send us a message, and if you want to be a host of the show. So just be specific on your message. Say, I want to be a host, I want to be part of the show.
Sure.
So then once we find a host, we'll continue. We just give our people a call, and then we take it from there.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. For the first show, how do you feel?
Sure. No, I'm positive.
Yeah.
Like I said earlier on, I'm a man of positivity. I'm very positive, man.
Anxiety, go back to Tatazela and before shoot.
If anything, all those nerves are a thing of the past now.
Yeah.
It's gone out the window. It's gone out the window, but you know.
Yeah, so no mind. So we will grow from here. So, but this podcast will continue every week. We're going to drop an episode. So,
I want to touch your lives. Yeah, more. Even if it was indirectly or directly, but the fact that I touched your lives, that would do so much justice to me.
yes, yeah, that's ordinary citizens. Guys,
man.
please subscribe, share. We'll grow from here. So we don't even do a lot of prep for this because it's want to be on the tick.
Yes, man.
So
as real as we come out here, people.
All right, guys. I ask Valerie if it's a
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. Thank you.